1 for today. Now note down question 2 for today. Write a program to implement. Write a program to implement upper triangular square matrix. Upper triangular square matrix. So first you have seen lower triangular square matrix. Now you will see the upper triangular square matrix. And logic is very clear. In the first row, start from A00 and up to A00. All the elements make it non-zero. In the second row, start with A0, A10 and up to A22. All the elements, up to A11 will be non-zero. In the third row, all the elements up to A22 will be non-zero. That is, A20 will be non-zero, A21 will be non-zero, A22 will be non-zero. And in the fourth row, all the elements up to A33 will be non-zero. That is, A30 will be non-zero, A31 will be non-zero, A32 will be non-zero, and A33 will be non-zero. That was the case of lower triangular matrix. Now we are talking about upper triangular matrix. कोई एक बताएगा? कौन बताएगा? ये अभय तिवारी. अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है? प्लीज स्पीक एट लाउडर पिच. थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए. एज बढ़ने के साथ थोड़ा हमको कम सुनाई देता. आप लोग यंग हैं, आपके कान.
सर
या अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स.
सर डायगोनल के ऊपर वाले जितने एलिमेंट होंगे सब नॉन जीरो होंगे.
डायगोनल के ऊपर वाले या डायगोनल के राइट एलिमेंट्स? यू कैन से ऑल द एलिमेंट्स राइट टू द डायगोनल.
यस सर.
Or all the elements above वाला उतना clear नहीं. It's not that much clear. So all the elements right to the diagonal. It means you see this is first one. A00 is non-zero. A00 is non-zero. So all the elements right to the diagonal will become non-zero. So A01 will be non-zero now. A02 will be non-zero. And A03 will be non-zero. Here you see in the second row, what is the diagonal element? Abhay Tiwari ji. In the second row, yes. What is the diagonal element?
Sir, second row diagonal element, sir, A1, yeah. A11.
A11. So second row diagonal element is A11. So all the elements to the right of diagonal element A11 will be non-zero. Means A12 will be non-zero. A13 will be non-zero. Now Abhay Tiwari ji, third row diagonal element क्या है?
Sir, A22.
A22. So all the elements to the right of A22 will be non-zero. And here you have only one element, that is A23. So A23 will be non-zero. So here you have, this is upper triangular matrix. This is your upper triangular matrix, and here you have seen the values. And remember, when you are writing the program, so in question 2, note down here number of elements, here size of square matrix. Question 2 में लिख लीजिए तो इसको. Question 2 में लिखिए. Here size of square matrix. Here size of square matrix is entered by the user at runtime. Here size of square matrix is entered by the user at runtime. Om Prakash ji, what's meaning of last sentence? Just you have written. What's meaning of this sentence?
सर जो साइज होगा मैट्रिक्स का वो आउटपुट के समय एंटर करना होगा यूजर को।
So here, what is the size of the matrix in the example which I have taken?
सर A3
Size बताइए matrix की.
3
This is 4 cross 4 matrix.
ओ सर
What is size of matrix?
4
4 cross 4 matrix. So in a 4 cross 4 matrix, n will be equal to how much?
सर 3
N will be 4.
Oh.
So if n is 4 means this is 4 cross 4 matrix. If n is 3 means this is 3 cross 3 matrix. If it is 4 cross 4 matrix, so elements will be A00, A01, A02, A03.
Yes.
A10, A11, A12, A13. A20, A21, A22, A23. A30, A31, A32, and A33. So number of elements, total elements will be 16 in a 4 cross 4 matrix. Although the first element of the matrix is A00 and 16th element of the matrix is A33. Is it clear or not? So here if user says n is 5, means what will be your matrix size? It will be 5 cross 5. Means 5 rows and 5 columns. You will have a matrix of 5 rows and 5 columns. And you will keep the elements in this 5 cross 5 matrix. So in question 1 and in question 2, you will take matrices as square matrices, and here values of n will be entered by the user at one time. So this is question two for today, and yeah, so now we will talk about next question, that is question 3. Let me give you question 3. Yeah, question 3 is write a program to sort the list of numbers. Write a program to sort the list of numbers. Write a program to sort the list of numbers. Write a program to sort the list of n numbers. Write a program to sort the list of n numbers using insertion sort. Write a program to sort the list of numbers using insertion sort. Next line, write a program to sort the list of n numbers using insertion sort. Next line, here value of n will be entered by the user at runtime. Here value of n will be entered by the user at runtime. Full stop. If n is 5, then 5 elements. Full stop. If n is 5, then 5 elements will be entered by the user at runtime. If n is 5, then 5 elements will be entered by the user at runtime. At runtime. And all these elements will be sorted using insertion sort. And all these elements will be sorted using insertion sort. Full stop. Also find the number of comparisons. Also find the total number of comparisons. This is question 3. Also find the total number of comparisons. Also find the total number of comparisons. So today, how many questions have I given to you? आज कितना क्वेश्चन दिया? 3 questions. लास्ट लैब में कुछ क्वेश्चन दिया था क्या?
से लास्ट टाइम भी 3 दिए थे और उसको डिस्कस कर लिए थे।
वेरी गुड। तो 3 + 3 9 हो गया ना मेघा सिंह?
6 हुआ था ना सर, 6 हुआ ना 3 + 3।
3 + 3 भाई कई बार आप लोग बोल देते हैं सर 3 + 3 9 हो गया। Anyway, so today whatever 3 questions I have given you, you solve these questions and I will meet you at 10 minutes past 5 o'clock. 5:10 पे मिलेंगे।
सर सी
And I,
कर सकते हैं,
pardon?
C++ यूज कर सकते हैं।
You can use C programming, you can use C++, you can use Java. Whatever language you know. This is why, did I mention that write a program in C? Aman Pandey
No,
ji, क्या लिखा
no,
है? Write a program in which language?
no,
You can use C, you can use C++, you can use OOPS in C++, you can use Java, you are free. Freedom is from my side. Clear?
yes sir.
If you have problem in scanf and printf, you can go for C in C out. If you want to further go forward, use the concept of class and object. It's up to you. Any more queries? ठीक है, आप today you do these 3 questions. And at what time will you meet me today?
5:10.
5:10. So I'm just downloading now attendance and I will download the attendance at 5:15 or 5:10. And whosoever will be present in both, I will take the intersection. This time attendance and attendance of 5:15, I will take the intersection. So intersection students, they will be given the attendance. I have downloaded attendance. So please, Aja, one more thing I want to know: is everyone having laptop or not? Is everyone having laptop?
Yes sir.
कोई ऐसा है जिसके पास लैपटॉप नहीं है? हैंड रेज करें। I think in your admission it was mentioned that laptop is must. So okay, so now you start writing the programs in C or in C++ or in Java, or even if you know Python, you can use Python, no problem. You can use R language also, no problem from my side. ठीक है, so now let's meet at 5:15, 5:10, 10 minutes past 5 o'clock, not 5:15. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.